So, good evening, everyone. It's an honor to be able to give the feedback of our Scisynopsis International Conference, which was on Cancer and Oncology Research. I am Angela Pallangyo. I was the moderator for this meeting, and I arrived here on Saturday, and I've been here till today, and I've had a wonderful time getting insightful information on cancer and oncology research, getting updates, discussing with different fellows from different parts of the world, from Africa to Europe to Asia. And it has been an impactful process and very lovely days full of knowledge. And we are looking forward to the other, which will be the second conference, which will be held in London in April next year. So it has been a very good experience. Thank you.